Still O'Neal doing a good job of using that big body against Lamar Odom. Practice pretty well. 8 of his 15 of the fourth quarter. Red turnover. They'll let the Suns get it back, but at the offensive end, Shaq not getting the usual help. Lance Christian over to go. Came up with only his first field goal. But the Suns are down by just 8. Bogdanovich able to break it up. And a foul. Reach-in foul. It is on Barnes.